Get it?
Dog eats anything.
But he loves apples.
Eating an apple right off the freaking...
What are you, videotaping it?
Yeah.
Alright guys, we'll be back in a little bit, alright?
Kill, you're making a mess.
Okay, you got down to the... Nothing could go to waste with this dog in this house. She ate a seed! You're a pig.
Oh, she's a dog. She's down in that thing. Tequila, why does she breathe?
She just started that. Okay.
Tequila,
Eat
you
the
eat
bottom,
seed.
you idiot. Bottom. Bottom.
I think it's good enough.
Nah. Okay. Yeah. There.
She likes the seeds, I guess.
One day she actually ran off with a full apple and ate it. And don't think my finger. Hey!
Get off of my leg with that. Coach, don't let her eat it on the couch. She's gonna get all the way.
Come here. Get. Don't bite me.
You know you don't even have it on you.
It's one or the other, Tequila. You're supposed to take a bite, not the whole thing. Okay, you're done with this one.
She was eating green peppers with me last night.
Okay, that's the end of the apple.
Just ate basically a whole apple, Tequila.